Joining us, Dr. Garima Singh.
Good news is a very bad example, by the way. I want to very much clear
There
it.
has been a sperm mix-up.
In this ways, the centers do not work. There is no exchange of any kind of gamete, because if eggs or sperms are exchanged, the centers can be closed down.
Correct. We do radio tagging.
There is radio tagging, there is DNA examination, anything can be done, and the centers would be closed. You would get the result and you could sue the hospital. Priyanka Chopra, Diana Hayden, Farah Khan, the list is endless, who have actually frozen their eggs and they later on conceive and have made their lives easier.
Now, that's a very pertinent question. I've actually never thought about it. That a lot of women all over the world speak a common language. Infertility is a rising problem amongst all the women population and in the couple population as such.
What would be the main reasons behind the rising infertility in India or even worldwide?
Majorly, the common reasons for both males and females. A lot of patients are even opting for single motherhood nowadays, because I have some patients who are divorcees or who remain unmarried or single for a long period of time. Then after a certain time, they feel the need to conceive, and if the eggs are frozen and even if their ages have gone, they can very well get a donor sperm and conceive.
Yeah, even the movie Mimi.
Mimi, yeah. Mimi was, I think,
it was
surrogate.
but she turned out to be a single parent for the child.
For the child, yes, a lot of mothers are there.